Do you also wonder where your salary disappears at the end of the month? Do you make a resolution to save money every year but fail to stick to it? If yes, this video is for you. Today, we'll discuss the most effective and practical ways to save money in your 20s and 30s. These tips are not just theoretical, they're actionable and can help you secure your future. Watch the video till the end because every tip can be a game changer for you. Look, I get it. Budgeting might sound about as fun as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Think of it like this. If you don't control your money, it's going to control you. And the best way to manage your finances is by creating a budget. Now don't freak out. We're not talking about spreadsheets and complex formulas here. Keep it simple with the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, things like rent, bills, groceries, the essentials. Then 30% goes to wants, eating out, entertainment, those new shoes you've been eyeing. And finally, 20% goes straight to savings and debt repayment. But tracking every rupee sounds exhausting. That's where technology comes in. There are tons of apps out there, Walnut, Good Budget, you name it, that make tracking your expenses ridiculously easy. Seriously, try it for just 1 month. I challenge you. You'll be shocked to see where your money is actually going and where that unnecessary spending is hiding. Once you understand your spending habits, saving becomes a whole lot easier. It's like having a financial GPS guiding you towards your goals. Ever get to the end of the month and think, where did all my money go? Yeah, we've all been there. The best way to avoid this is to automate your savings. Think of it like this. You're paying yourself first before you even have a chance to spend it. Here's how it works. Set up a fixed amount to be transferred automatically from your salary account to a separate savings account every single month. Don't worry about starting big. Even 1,000 or 2,000 rupees is a great start. As your income grows, you can gradually increase that amount. The beauty of this system is that you don't even have to think about saving. It just happens. It's like magic, but for your money. This way, you're consistently building your savings without even lifting a finger. You get a promotion, a raise, a bonus. Congrats! It's tempting to celebrate by upgrading your lifestyle. A fancy new car, a bigger apartment, the latest gadgets. They all seem within reach. But here's the thing. That's lifestyle inflation creeping in, and it can be a silent wealth killer. Think about it. If you keep increasing your expenses every time your income goes up, you'll never get ahead. You'll be stuck on this endless treadmill of earning and spending. Instead of letting your lifestyle inflate, focus on keeping it simple and intentional. When your salary increases, what if you saved or invested that extra money instead of spending it? Imagine the possibilities. Remember, financial freedom, that feeling of security and being able to pursue your passions, is far more rewarding than any temporary luxury. Chapter 4. Choosing the right savings account. Don't settle for less. Let me guess. Your hard-earned money is just sitting in a regular savings account, earning a measly 3 to 4% interest, right? Come on, you work too hard for that. It's time to put your money to work for you. Don't settle for those low interest rates. Shop around and find high-interest savings accounts or fixed deposits, FDs, that can help your money grow faster. Remember, saving isn't just about putting money aside. It's also about choosing the right account or plan to maximize its growth potential. Think of it like this. You wouldn't plant a seed in infertile soil and expect it to flourish, right? Your savings deserve the same care and attention. Chapter 5. Small savings, big impact, the power of frugal living. That daily takeaway coffee, those multiple streaming subscriptions, those impulse purchases that seemed like a good idea at the time, they might seem insignificant individually, but let me tell you, those small expenses can add up to lakhs over a year. That's where the power of frugal living comes in. Now, frugal living isn't about depriving yourself. It's about being mindful and intentional with your spending. Cook at home more often. It's healthier and way cheaper than eating out all the time. Take a look at your subscriptions. Are you really using all of them? If not, cancel them. And become a master of discounts, coupons, and cashback offers. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to massive savings in the long run. Remember, it's not about being cheap. It's about being smart with your money. Chapter 6. Good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. Let's get one thing straight. Not all debt is bad. In fact, some debt can actually be good for you. Good debt helps you build assets and improve your financial future. Think about it. A home loan helps you buy a property. An education loan helps you invest in your future earning potential. These are strategic investments. On the other hand, bad debt is the kind that keeps you trapped in a cycle of high interest and doesn't add any real value to your life. Credit card debt is a classic example. Those sky-high interest rates can really hurt you in the long run. If you're stuck with high-interest debt, make it your priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. There are strategies like the debt snowball method or the debt avalanche method that can help you stay on track. And before you take on any new debt, ask yourself, is this really necessary? Is this going to help me build a better future, or is it just going to weigh me down? Chapter 7. Start investing early. Time is your greatest asset. Let's talk about the magic of compound interest, my friends. It's like a snowball effect for your money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even if you start with a small amount, like 2,000 rupees a month at the age of 25, it could potentially grow to lakhs by the time you retire. That's the power of time and compound interest working their magic. So, how do you get started? Mutual funds are a great option. Consider starting an SIP or systematic investment plan where a fixed amount is automatically invested at regular intervals. If you're looking for safe and secure options, look into PPF, which is the Public Provident Fund, or EPF, the Employees Provident Fund. And if you're comfortable with a bit more risk and have some knowledge about the stock market, you can explore investing in stocks. Remember, the key here is to start early and be consistent. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing, so don't waste it. Chapter 8. The Art of Negotiation, your secret weapon to saving money. Negotiation is an art, my friends, and it's a skill that can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Whether you're haggling for a better price at the local market, negotiating your rent with your landlord, or trying to get a better deal on your mobile phone plan, don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Remember, the worst thing they can say is no. But you might be surprised at how often you can actually get a better deal just by asking. Even small savings here and there can add up over time. So channel your inner negotiator and start saving. Chapter 9. Emergency Fund, your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical emergencies, unexpected car repairs. These things happen, and they often come with a hefty price tag. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. It's your financial safety net, your peace of mind. Your emergency fund should ideally cover at least 6 months' worth of living expenses. This includes your rent or mortgage payments, bills, groceries, and any other essential expenses. Keep this money in a separate savings account, preferably a high-yield savings account, so it's easily accessible when you need it. Having an emergency fund means you won't have to rely on credit cards or take on debt when unexpected expenses arise. It gives you the financial security and peace of mind to navigate life's ups and downs with confidence. Chapter 10. Invest in experiences, not things, memories over material possessions. Let's be honest. How many times have you bought something you thought would make you happy, only to find that the joy was fleeting? Studies have shown that spending money on experiences, like travel, hobbies, concerts, or simply spending quality time with loved ones, brings more lasting happiness than buying material possessions. Think about it. Would you rather have a closet full of clothes you barely wear, or a treasure trove of memories from incredible experiences? Experiences create stories, strengthen relationships, and broaden your horizons. They enrich your life in ways that material possessions simply cannot replicate. So instead of chasing the latest gadgets or designer clothes, consider investing in experiences that will bring you joy, create lasting memories, and leave you feeling truly fulfilled. So those were 10 practical tips to save money in your 20s and 30s. Remember, saving money isn't about limiting your life. It's about living smarter and making choices that align with your long-term goals. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, achieve financial security, and live life on your own terms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might benefit from these tips, and don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Roots for more videos on personal finance, investing, and building a brighter financial future. Let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most, and which one you're going to start implementing today. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and keep hustling towards your financial goals.